Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi here, and today all we're going to be doing is making some at-home DIY face masks, just in case you guys can't find any out there. I know for me and my family, we have not found any masks. Like even on Amazon, they're kind of selling out, and then if you do want to order on Amazon, they won't be here till like middle of May. So yeah, so we gotta improvise. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. So all you need are, I'm gonna actually show you guys two different ways that you can make them. So one way is with 2 hair ties and the other is with shoestrings. So we're gonna start with one first and put this one to the side. So we're gonna do the one with the hair ties first. And all you do is you lay out, put those out the way. You lay out your bandana. And I actually went ahead and ironed mine because they were really wrinkly, and I feel like the flatter it is without the wrinkles, the more neat it will look. And also you want to make sure that you do this on a flat surface. So all you do is you bring both ends up to meet in the center. Kind of make sure they're even. And then you do it one more time. And now what you want to do is grab your hair ties. And what you're going to do is put one on each end. So, wait, this does look kind of bigger again. Pull it out too. Trying to get them as equal as possible. And all you do is you put scrunchie on one end and bring it in about an inch or two. And then you take the other one and put it on the other end. About the same distance. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold one end and then fold the other one in, and then you're gonna tuck. You can either leave it like this and just place them on top, but I find that it's more bulkier, so you can put one inside of the other like so. Just kind of tuck it in there like that, and there you go. So there's one face mask. This one actually looks really cute. The scrunchies, actually, they go right on your ears, so this is kind of basically like how the mask stays on your face and how the mask actually stays together. So there's number 1. Then number 2, so I'm actually going to add a little something different. Now I know the mask that I just did not have a filter or any sort of barrier from the germs. So if you're a girl, you know what this is. This was actually in my drawer. I don't know which sports bra it goes to or anything like that, so I just decided to use this. Now you can either use this or you can use coffee filters, but I feel like this has a thicker padding. So what you want to do is you want to place it directly in the center as much as you can. The more center it is, the more neat the mask will be. And then you just repeat the same exact steps, and you want this to be down first because there's a thin layer right there. So the same exact thing. Now with this one, I feel as though it is a bit trickier because you have this part, but okay. And then with the shoestrings, it's kind of the same idea with the hair ties, except you have 2 separate. So what you want to do is tie this on one, kind of about the same length as we did the scrunchies. And these ones you can actually tie. So one knot on one end, get this one, and make one knot on the other end. Probably about, oh no, let me see. Yeah, probably about right there. You tie that. So then that way, once you put the mask on, all you do is you can either tie these strings on your ears, or you can tie them two separately in the back like that. Like one like this and one like this. So one will be at the top and one will be at the bottom. And there we have the second one. Make sure you guys comment down below which face mask you like the best, what method you would use, rather the scrunchies or the shoestrings. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.